Bienvenido, gente criptoemprendedora. Ethereum ya pasó por la cruz de oro y aún no muestra una tendencia concreta. Tiene una fuerte resistencia en diagonal descendente que le cuesta romper y está dejando a los inversionistas con la duda si es hora de vender o comprar. ¿Será el fin de su tendencia alcista? ¿Volveremos a ver precios por debajo de los $160? ¿Tiempos de osos o de toros? Expectativa entre los inversionistas de Ethereum. ¿Qué nos dicen los analistas? Es el tema ahora en Código Cripto Financiero. Acompáñennos. Oído los números, con mente positiva, simple y concreto. ¿Qué nos dicen los analistas en tradingview.com? Trendfather nos demuestra en su gráfico de Ethereum contra el dólar con velas de una hora que Ether se encuentra atrapado entre los 204 y $195. Es un margen muy corto en su cotización y si su precio pasa por debajo de este cuadro, es muy posible que se dirija a una zona de liquidación valorada entre los 180 y $185. Mas sin embargo, si llega a romper su resistencia, veremos mejores objetivos. Obvio. Trading Alchemist, con un cuadro de las mismas características del anterior, nos demuestra que si el valor de Ethereum sobrepasa la línea de resistencia en diagonal y pasa los $204, su tendencia alcista llegará al objetivo de $215. A diferencia de nuestro analista anterior, duda que su precio tenga una baja, pero si la cotización de Ether sigue su tendencia descendente y rompe su soporte en diagonal, su zona de compra sería entre los 190 a $192. Valeria Top, esta vez con velas de 4 horas de Ethereum contra el dólar, nos manifiesta su amor por los patrones. En su cuadro nos dibuja 3 patrones paralelos en la cual nos marca una clara tendencia a la baja, donde los triángulos son los verdaderos protagonistas. En este patrón podemos apreciar a los triángulos marcando una clara tendencia a la baja por debajo de los $170. Transparent FX nos deja un importante full análisis de la tendencia del par de Ethereum contra el dólar, usando también el gráfico de Bitcoin como referente a tendencia e influencia de Ether. Los siguientes comentarios son en inglés, así que prestar atención a los gráficos y oído a los números.
Okay, so what is going on at the moment from an ETH USD perspective? Now the market has gone to make this nice move to the downside to go and test this very strong demand area. Plus, what has the market created? A nice M formation. And after an M formation, what do you expect? You expect the market to make a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at the neckline, as basically the market has already done. Now, why did the market make this move to the downside on ETH USD? Well, to find the answer to this, we have to go and check the BTC USD chart. Why? Because they are correlated. Now, if you look at what you have from a BTC USD perspective, if you remember from the analysis that we had made, we wanted to see BTC USD make a move to the downside to go and test this demand area before the halving. And then definitely we wanted to see the market reject the zone to the upside, which is exactly what BTC USD has done. So nice manipulation to the downside before the halving and then nice move to the upside. So if BTC USD will continue to the upside, ETH USD will continue as well. Now, if we go and see what we have from a technical perspective, as we just said, the market has already completed the pattern and is now below this resistance. Previous support now turned resistance from a daily perspective. Now, if we want to measure this retracement, what are we supposed to be doing? Taking our Fibonacci from the high to the low. And what we can see that currently the market is at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. And from here, the market can easily make a move to the downside and basically complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside. However, I'm perfectly fine with missing out on the move to the downside. Therefore, we won't be interested in this move to the downside with students. Why we're not interested? Because basically the market has higher probabilities basically to continue to the upside if BTC USD will continue to the upside. So we will be paying attention to what is going on from a BTC USD perspective, and if it will manage to make a move to the upside, then ETH/USD will manage as well to break above this structure. And if the market will break above this structure, then it will have created this nice W formation. Now, after a W formation, what do you expect? You expect the market to make a retracement back to the neckline, so to the previous resistance, now turned support. And at that point, we will have a nice confluence of support at this level given by, as we just said, the completion of the W formation, previous resistance turns support. We will have the confluence of the Fibonacci taken from the low to the high, basically inside of this area, possibly the 0.618. So this will be definitely a zone to be monitoring from a 4-hour perspective, because from here, what we will be doing with students, we will be looking for a potential longing opportunity if on the 4 hours our rules will be satisfied for a long position. So recapping, if the market will manage to break this structure to the upside and make a retracement inside of this area, with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long for the completion of this impulse, correction, and impulse pattern to the upside. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.
Muchas gracias por ver este video, espero que les sea de ayuda y no se olviden que poner en riesgo todos tus ahorros no es saludable para tu futuro financiero. Siempre investiga y estudia para lograr tus propias conclusiones. Los números y las estrategias adecuadas nunca se equivocan. Comenten y suscríbanse después de un me gusta. Buenas transacciones.